This tutorial will demonstrate using Chef to manage a virtual machine that is running on your local workstation. The virtual machine will be managed by Vagrant. All code in the tutorial will be tracked in Git. Open a new terminal window, create a directory for your work, and move to that directory. Initialize a Git repository. Initialize Vagrant. Add the initial Vagrant file to the Git repository. Open the Vagrant file in a text editor and update the contents of the file. Vagrant doesn't create a virtual machine instance completely from scratch. Instead, it imports a base image for a VM and builds off that. This base image is called a box. In our Vagrant file, we're going to specify two parameters. config.vm.box is the first one. Every Vagrant virtual machine is built from the base image. In Vagrant, these are distributed as boxes. This configuration option specifies the logical name of the box for the VM to be built against. Next, we're going to set config.vm.boxURL. This points to a valid URL for the box that the VM requires. This is optional and used only if the box doesn't already exist on your local workstation. Launch the virtual machine. Add the updated Vagrant file to the Git repository. Add a file named .gitignore to Git so that it will ignore the .vagrant directory that is created when launching a virtual machine.